Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into creating and using templates on Asana. First off, we need to create a project. Navigate to the sidebar and click on the plus Add Project button. This is where we start building our template. The reason we do this is because Asana's main functionality revolves around projects, and templates help us streamline this process. Now that we've done that, let's customize our project. Add tasks, set due dates, or assign team members. This helps us because every project has unique requirements, and tailoring it to fit our needs helps us stay organized. Next up, let's turn this project into a template. Go to the Project Actions menu, select Convert to Template, and confirm. This is a critical step because it allows us to reuse this project structure in the future, saving us time and effort. Let me explain why this matters. When you're working on similar projects, using a template eliminates the need to start from scratch. Now, let's learn how to use our newly created template. When creating a new project, select Use a Template and choose the template you just created. The reason we do this is because it allows us to kickstart our project with predefined tasks and structure. Finally, customize the new project as needed. Remember, templates are just a starting point. You can always modify them to fit your project's specific needs. This is important as no two projects are exactly the same, and flexibility is key to successful project management. And there you have it. You've now mastered creating and using templates on Asana. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to apply these practical steps to streamline your project management. Until next time.